Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you the basics of LinkedIn app and then what actually LinkedIn is. So let me start. So first of all, you have to open the LinkedIn app and you have to install it. Let's click on the LinkedIn and then you have to make your ID. We can say the LinkedIn profile is like your CV. You can apply through LinkedIn profile on any job or any scholarship, and multiple times it can be very useful for you guys. So first of all, so what we have to do, click on the profile section and then go to the profile, click on it. After this, as you can see, I have a lot of details here, like my experience is added, my qualification is added, my skills are added. So this can be useful for you anytime, anywhere. You can apply through this, and this is the very easiest and the professional way. As you can see, in the about section I have added my about details, and in the experience session I have added these details. I have added my all experience, and I have also added my education and the projects whom I have worked and the skills I have. These are the basic details. So let's go to the back. After this, in the my network whom I am with connected, these are the details. And in the post, if you want to post anything, you can post here, you can write here. After that, in the notification, you will see the notifications you have received. In the job section, you are going to see the jobs related to your experience, your education and your skills. You can apply on them easily apply. For example, I'm going to apply on this one, freelance video editor. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to simply click on the easy apply. After clicking on the easy apply, here I have options that my details and the CV resume I have selected, and simply you have to click on the submit. After clicking on the submit, my CV is sent to them. Now they will decide what to do next. So this is the basic option, and then go to the back. Now you can apply on the different jobs, and you can also search from here for a job. If you want to apply on a specific job, you can search here and apply on it. So this is the basic and easiest way. And this is the home section. You will see the post whom with you are connected. So this is the basic details that how you can use your LinkedIn profile, your LinkedIn app. So I hope you understand this video. See you in the next video.